Uniswap value equivalent to $4.0726 a coin. The present reach: $4.0177, $4.1226. The earlier day close: $4.1119. The change was 0.0393, 0.96%. Reverse rate: United States dollars to unit. Uniswap value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at $4.46. Most extreme cost $4.69, least cost $3.73. The normal for the month $4.22. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $4.01, change for October 10.1%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. In the first place cost at $4.01. Greatest cost $4.67, least cost $3.55. The normal for the month $4.04. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.91, change for November 2.5%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost cost at $3.91. Greatest cost $4.27, least cost $3.71. The normal for the month $3.97. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.99, change for December 2.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. At the outset cost at $3.99. Most extreme cost $3.99, least cost $3.12. The normal for the month $3.61. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.35, change for January 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at $3.35. Most extreme cost $4.16, least cost $3.35. The normal for the month $3.69. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.89, change for February 16.1%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at $3.89. Greatest cost $4.37, least cost $3.79. The normal for the month $4.03. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $4.08, change for spring 4.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2024. To start with cost at $4.08. Greatest cost $4.08, least cost $3.50. The normal for the month $3.86. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.76, change for April 7. Greatest cost $3.76, least cost $3.14. The normal for the month $3.51. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.38, change for May 10.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $3.38. Greatest cost $3.38, least cost $2.93. The normal for the month $3.21. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.15, change for June 6.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. Before all else cost at $3.15. Most extreme cost $3.34, least cost $2.90. The normal for the month $3.13. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.12, change for July 1.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $3.12. Most extreme cost $3.87, least cost $3.12. The normal for the month $3.43. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.62, change for August 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. To start with cost at $3.62. Greatest cost $3.62, least cost $2.97. The normal for the month $3.35. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.19, change for September 11.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset cost at $3.19. Most extreme cost $3.19, least cost $2.49. The normal for the month $2.89. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.68, change for October 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2025. Before all else cost at $1.17. Most extreme cost $1.17, least cost 91 cents. The normal for the month $1.06. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end 98 cents, change for December 16.2%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. Initially cost at $0.98. Most extreme cost $1.22, least cost 98 cents. The normal for the month $1.08. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.14, change for January 16.3%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2026. To start with cost at $1.14. Greatest cost $1.38, least cost $1.14. The normal for the month $1.24. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.29, change for February 13.2%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. First and foremost cost at $1.29. Greatest cost $1.29, least cost $1. The normal for the month $1.17. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.08, change for spring 16.3%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2026. Before all else cost at $1.08. Most extreme cost $1.08, least cost 85 cents. The normal for the month 98 cents. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end 91 cents, change for April 15.7%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. At the outset cost at $0.91. Most extreme cost $1.13, least cost 91 cents. The normal for the month $1. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.06, change for May 16.5%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2026. Initially cost at $1.06. Most extreme cost $1.32, least cost $1.06. The normal for the month $1.17. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.23, change for June 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. To start with cost at $1.23. Greatest cost $1.53, least cost $1.23. The normal for the month $1.